Simco Ion Technology Group is a division of Illinois Tool Works, ITW, the world's largest manufacturer of static control products, has provided solutions in a wide range of industries since the 1920s. Long established in engaging and partnering with customers and suppliers, we built our reputation on developing innovative solutions, competitively superior products to service our customers' needs worldwide. Key technology market segments: front-end semiconductor, back-end semiconductor processing, flat panel display, electronics manufacturing, life sciences. Our product lines consist of ionizing air bars, benchtop and overhead ionizing air blowers, instrumentation, air guns and nozzles, NOx electrostatic sensing and process environment monitoring, room systems, and much more. You can be sure of receiving maximum performance and reliability. Simco Ion provides several service package options to support our customers' manufacturing success, proactive operation strategies, scheduled maintenance and care of the equipment for smooth operations, and long-term development and training. Look to Simco Ion for solutions. Superior technical and applications expertise. 24-hour shipping of stock products. Worldwide support, with factories in the US, Holland, Japan, and China. Continued commitment to new product development. Simco Ion's comprehensive product line incorporates years of research, engineering, and field experience.